Every cupcake tells a story of patience, passion, and a small dreams baked with love. This little treat reminds us that joy doesn't have to be big to be mindful. Sometimes it fits perfectly in your hands. I didn't just bake a cupcake, I baked effort, hope, and the courage to keep creating one sweet step at a time. If you are chasing your dreams, let this cupcake remind you that even small beginnings can taste like a success. Every great cupcake starts with patience, a steady hand, and belief. As I mix this butter, I am reminding myself that good things takes time, and when care is added, sweetness always follows. Just like life, this butter needs balance. Too much or too little can change everything. I mix slowly, trusting the processing, knowing something beautiful is forming. So, in this bowl is more than flour and sugar. It's effort, hope, and quiet determination. With every stir, I am creating joy, one cupcake at a time. And do you know something? Mixing this butter reminds me again that small steps matter. Each turn of the spoon brings me closer to something soft, sweet, and made with intention. This is not just a butter in a bowl, it's patient being stirred, dreams being folded, and effort being mixed until smooth. Every turn of this spoon is a promise that something beautiful is about to rise. From simple ingredients comes a moment of joy. And soon, this quiet mix will speak loudly true sweetness. Now we dey here, no shaking. Hey, this is the moment where simple ingredients stop being ordinary. One by one, they come together, trusting the process. No rush, no fear, just patience, balance, and belief. What starts as flour, eggs, and sugar others is about to become something warm, soft, and unforgettable. Every stir carries hope. Every fold carries love. This butter is not just made, it is becoming. The name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Keep watching. When the butter looks this smooth, you already know magic is coming. The mixture is minding its business and becoming delicious. Yeah. The mixture is ready, smooth, rich, and full of promise. Now it's time to gently pour it into the pan, giving each cup its moment to shine. No rush, no stress. Just trust the process because every great cup starts right here before the oven does the magic. Oh, yes. Butter ready, pan waiting. This is where the cupcakes begin their glow up. At this stage, patience matter. Oh, yes. We have to pour with care, believe in the process, and soon these simple cups will rise into something beautiful. Just simple ingredients turn into something beautiful. The oven is closed and the waiting begins. Inside, the heat is working gently, lifting the butter, building flavor, and turning patience into perfection. This quiet moment is where the magic happens. No rushing, just trust. And now, look at the golden rise. Soft, fluffy, beautiful baked. Every minute was worth it. Rock of ages, cleanse for me. Let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flow be of sin the double cure. Cleanse me from its guilt and power. The cake is done, and so is the reminder good things don't rush. They rise quietly, they take heat, and they need time, just like this cake. Your journey may be in the oven right now, but when it's ready, it will come out golden. Trust the process. If the oven can turn butter into cake, time can turn effort into success. What is meant for you will rise at the right time. Be patient. Your moment is baking. Pressure creates progress, just like this cake. Delay is not denying. Your rise is coming. Life is the same way. Sometimes you are not being delayed, you are being prepared. Even when no one sees the work happening, growth is taking place inside. So be patient with yourself. What it's meant for you is still the doings, the baking, the zazaza. When it's ready, it will come out golden like this. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I love you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to get more doings. And I love you. Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain.